Hi, this is Dr. Michael Passmore. I'm the senior minister at Central Christian Church in San Antonio. I'm standing in the sanctuary of the church. We are setting up right now for our mind's eye to be set on Good Friday and then the glory of Easter. It is dark now in our world. I can remember hearing a sermon preached by Dr. Tony Campolo some years ago. He later made the sermon into a book. It's Friday, but Sunday's coming. It was a wonderful, inspiring message, and in it he has a run of words from a preacher in a different church some time ago. The theme continued, it's Friday, but Sunday's coming. It's Friday, and Jesus is nailed and dead on the cross, but it's only Friday. Sunday's coming. It's Friday, Mary's crying her eyes out because her Jesus is dead, but it's only Friday, and Sunday is coming. The disciples are running around like sheep without a shepherd, but it's only Friday, and Sunday's coming. It's Friday. People are saying, as things have been, so they will always be. Things do not change at all, but it's only Friday, and Sunday is coming. It's Friday. Satan's doing the big jig, thinking he controls the whole world, but it's only Friday, and Sunday's coming. It's Friday. The temple veil has been torn from top to bottom. The earth shook. The rocks split. And the tomb is going to be open. There will be people screaming and shouting and dismay and fear, but Sunday's coming. This Easter, we live under the darkness of COVID-19 in our community. We will not be gathering together. We're wearing masks and gloves whenever we do go out. The beast is out among us, they call it on television newscasts. Aches, pain, the binding of the lungs, hallucinations. It takes your breath away. So we hide. We're not hiding just out of fear. We hide so that we are not a part of the problem, but we protect ours and we protect the vulnerable. It's a dark time to be alive. Did you ever wonder what it was like for Jesus in the tomb? Knowing that a light would blaze in, but now it was cold and dark. What did Jesus think about? What did he do awaiting the resurrection? But then there was Easter. There was the resurrection. The stone moved. It rolled away. The light of the sun came blinding into the tomb, and life was restored. No more death cloth over his face. He could smile and be seen smiling. It's Sunday. It's Sunday. It's Sunday, Campolo said. I hope you find the blessing of resurrected life, not only for this Sunday, as you realize that we are more than conquerors in this world in which we live, and we have our hope, our trust in God. Thank you for allowing me to share with you this dark and yet ever lightening day.